Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisha, of course, and for today, you're new, welcome as well. Jamaican national bird is the hummingbird. Yes, did you know that the hummingbird only flies back way? Look and pay attention, alright? Now for today, yes, drama with them taxi man here. Beer bag of things and the lady I got tell you her mind. And I don't know if the driver got answer back. So watch this entire video now. Peace. So we're going to translate from Patois to English. So watch this now. Car full of seed, come in this, car full of seed. Nice lady, come in here, son. What? Elder, come here, car full of seed, As it. Yes, in Jamaica. That's how them go tackle you, so car full of seed. No, it's come in and take a seat. Of course, come in and take a seat. But at Jamaica, car full of seed. The car not empty. And the next one, yeah. Take a seat, me elder, me a come man. Take a seat. Yo, baby mother, come, take a seat, man. Just take a seat, man. Go on. Just take a seat, man. Hold a seat. Yeah. So please have a seat. Go take a seat. Yo, my G. Take a seat, my big man. I make the people them come to the car. Want me to you, yo? What you really do? What you really? This one is very popular in Jamaica. One already. My G, come on, what me need already now. Come on, in already yet, one me need already. Even when only the car empty, nobody not in there, they need one already. No sir, it can't work like this. And no sir, mean I can't believe this. One already simple mean I just need one person to go. You understand? One more person, then I'll leave, please. And I might say please, but I don't know if nobody in Jamaica asks so. But the lady and I take it because she have somewhere she got to go. Yeah, she got to go. So now, yes, this is very popular in Jamaica. They want two on the front seat and the lady don't want nobody else beside her. Alright, so half a tree, crossroad town, half a tree in a Golden Spring, half a tree, crossroad town. You go town, come now. One already, you're going to take your seat. Just one more to go. And watch this now. You don't want nobody else side her. Be careful, driver, you know say be careful. You mean one more already, one more which part? You know say a 3 or Jesus, I mean Jesus, what's going on? Just no fuss. Hey, you see your dry up face? Drive the taxi and pop chat. Yes, Jamaicans will oftentimes behave like that. Not all of us though. Thank you very much for watching. We have come to the end of another session. Alright, if you want to part two to that, let me know. Walk good. Bye.